everyone. Today I want us to go through how we can create a personal team. How can we create a personal team? Visit a URL website, then click get team, then click get insert team, then individual. Then when you click individual team, this is express way of getting a team. Like you are resident of Uganda, you want an express team. This is how you can do it. Then after click there, then you can type your NIN number. You are able to type your NIN number here. When you put your NIN number, you verify the date of birth. After verifying the date of birth, then these other fields, these free field, this one it will be filled automatically. Then select the title, select the status, marriage status. For instance, you can be married. Then select why you need that team. It can be informal, let me say, sales. And you can give an activity. Then here you put your phone number, an email address. After putting, then confirm your residence. Like where are you? You can say Wakiso. Then in Wakiso you choose where exactly. You can say Chadondo, then in Makindye, you can be Sesadon, you can be Makindye. So you choose the best area where we can easily get you. Then allow that you are not a robot to confirm. Then after you submit your application.